All right, guys, 2019 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo. If you have Jeep Grand Cherokee, it could be 2013, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 2020 model. All these is probably, most of them and all of them is, or it is the same procedure and how to change a cabin filter. To get to the point straight up, the cabin filter is behind this glove box and you don't need any tools, guys. All right, so all you do is you simply remove this. You open the glove box, you're gonna see this strap on the right side and you see this little hole in there. So all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull this down and it's gonna come out through that hole right there. All right, so it comes out from the lower point and you can just simply let it go. After that, you're gonna push here, and on the opposite side, same thing, and this glove box is simply gonna fall down. All right, so there's the strap sitting there. Down here, guys, let me aim my light. You see this tray here? This tray has a little handle here, it has a little knob here, and on this side it's like a hook. So all you're gonna do is you're gonna work on this side and these should just come off. All right, and then let me just show you. So I'm gonna grab this, you're gonna pull this like that, like a tab, and you're gonna pull it off. After that, this little fella is gonna block you, so you're just gonna yank it a little bit and it should come off. All right, and then on this end is just a little clamp, like a hook that goes there. All right, see that goes into that little area right there, and then you have access to this cabin filter, guys. Sorry about my lighting, but there's the cabin filter. Make sure you do follow the arrow sign, and then all you're gonna do is simply you're gonna grab this from one side and you're gonna pull this cabin filter out. All right, just like that. All right, guys, there's the cabin filter. I'm waiting for the new cabin filter, but let me just show you a reverse procedure with this one. So same thing you're gonna do. All right, this cabin filter is a little flexible, so you're gonna get it in there and you're gonna push this back when you get a new filter. I'm waiting for a new filter, so I'll wait on that. And you're gonna grab the little hook on this side, you're gonna push the tab in there, it's gonna click, you're gonna hear clicks, and then you're gonna put the glove box back in. I'm sorry it's gonna be hard for me to show you guys because I'm holding the light with the hand. All you do is you gently put this glove box in the spot that you want. Oh god, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to show you this part. Alright, guys, I'm sure you can reverse the procedure, and you put this in, and make sure you put this in. You can pull this and don't yank it too hard, just bring as much as you need. You hook this on, and then the tab should just click in there, and then after that just open the glove box and it should close and open freely, and it should come down smoothly, not just drop. Drop means you didn't hook this up, or it's broken, or it's not in. All right, thank you for watching, guys. Subscribe again. This is how you change your cabin filter on these Jeeps. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. Bye bye.